Siggy Brat Brain.
We're on. Live.
Welcome, guys. Tash here from MMT, and we've got Jace's butt and Jace on the table today. So we're going to do a treatment on his left glute. All right, guys.
All right, let's do it.
Here's the butt.
Here's the butt.
So we're just going to get straight in. Sorry, Jace, my hands might be...
Forward.
Yeah. I'm just going to get in the elbow now, all right?
Yeah, all right.
Just sink off this.
Are we still on?
Yeah, we're still on.
We're still on?
Still
All right.
going,
I thought we had
still
thought
going.
Leo's just muted us for a second, but no, we're good.
All good. So
Oh,
we're just getting off this, off the sacrum and coming around.
oh, yeah, feels good.
Going to hit a few of these glute tendons.
Yeah.
All right, just trace around that hip bone.
Oh, it's coming up to something.
Going.
Yeah.
Look at it.
Oh,
Twitch. There we go. I'll try and... Oh,
that's the
Jace.
worst spot.
Jace.
Oh, glute med and min are always
Yeah,
pretty nasty,
that's right. We're sinking into those on the side here.
Oh,
Not to forget about these ones on the
Oh.
side.
oh,
You right?
yeah, no, I'm good.
Leaving it back off?
No, just groaning through it. Oh,
Do you know what?
it's needed.
Sorry, it's needed.
needed.
Yeah, definitely. Surprised you weren't feeling a bit of a...
No, I don't
Tension
tend
in
to
here.
feel much through the glutes. Like, even
Yeah.
if they are tight, I don't tend
Yeah.
to feel it as much as, say, if my hamstrings or calves
Yeah.
are tight.
Sorry to interrupt your video, guys, but we're just going to advertise our Patreon platform where we post every day, exclusive content, no towels, just us blokes having fun, treating each other. So if you want to see some MMT action every day, jump over there and you will be very happy.
Jace, you know what else is good for your butt?
What's that?
A colonic.
A colonic. Oh, really? More of the inside of your butt. not necessarily the muscle. Oh. Boy.
Yeah, so tomorrow I'm going to go get my
You're
first
getting one,
colonic
are ya?
session.
First
yeah,
one?
yeah. Me and Johnny are going.
Johnny's going
Yep, couple goals.
Oh, that's couple goals right there. What else would you do on your Saturday? Yeah.
That's
go
right.
take a big Boris together.
Colonic together,
Yeah.
stay together,
Yeah,
right?
that's it.
You know, something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to do a... You right?
Yeah, just wiggling.
We're going to do that session tomorrow. 1 of 4.
1 of 4.
1 of 4 colonics.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Jeez.
So we're cleaning out our
Internals.
intestines. Yeah. So cleaning out your guts. Just getting in there and flushing. I think they flush about 50 litres of water.
50 litres.
Yeah, through. And so sometimes at the start, you don't get much movement. Yeah, Leo? Like, not much might come out at the beginning, the first session. So that's why you do come.
Third time.
Yeah.
Third time.
Yeah. Just a full pizza comes out. Just, yeah, so you have.
Fucking steak falls
Well, we haven't. Yeah, that's another reason why I want to do it, because we haven't eaten meat for. It's been over 2 years, nearly 3 years.
Well, that's where you're going wrong.
No.
Is that you haven't eaten meat in 3
Yeah.
years at home, or are you excluding holidays, Tash, or what's
Okay,
that?
I've cheated a little bit here and there, but not much. No,
pretty
we've been
much.
pretty clean. But yeah, we just want to clear it out, and about there's other benefits too. Like I'll be
Before
interested.
you start eating meat again.
No. So, like I think it'll just promote us to be even cleaner.
What's
wrong
with meat? Meat's clean.
No, not the
Jace.
meat that we were eating.
Why not?
No, not that.
They
Not
need to
like.
get on our diet, Jace, don't they?
Yes, carnivore.
No way. No
Meat and
way.
veggies, and there you go. It's there.
Meat and 3 veg.
Oh, it sounds a bit
That's
boring.
the way to do it.
Nah, there's so much more out there to eat. I love it.
Yeah,
we love our diet.
your lunches are always a
Yeah.
Exotic.
Oh, they're just random. Like it's always a random assortment of whatever's in the fridge. Looks like it's
Yeah.
going in Tash's lunch. So.
Yeah, you know, beans and lots of legumes, lots of nuts, lots of what else do I eat, Chase? The greens
Oh,
and
no, it's just random
veggies.
stuff in there a lot of the time.
Just veggies. You feeling alright?
Yeah, I'm feeling
Yeah?
good. It's a lot better
Cool.
through there.
Cool. Good. Yeah, so it'll be interesting. But the other thing is like asthma, I think hay fever and allergies and stuff like that. some people feel like better in those areas of their life after. So,
Well, that'll help you a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've always got a tissue.
Always got a tissue on hand, yeah. Yeah. Tash
Grace
used to
knows.
always get told off because her nose would always be runny, and one of our mates used to just crack the shits at you.
From Isaac. Isaac used to give me shit all the time about my nose. I'd always be blowing my nose. Yeah, I've gotten better.
Gotten better, yeah.
Allergic to dust. It's, Mum's kept the house too clean.
Oh,
When
come
we're
on,
growing
Mum.
up.
Really?
That's the
Yeah,
difference.
she's very clean.
Mum would drop the food on the ground and we'd eat it.
To grow up in a shithole.
Yeah, so I'm slowly getting used to a dirtier environment. It's a good excuse to not clean the house. Be like, no, I need to get used to the dust.
Work at MMT Richmond. That was
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, so
50 years of dust in there.
yeah.
Here we go. Oh,
Oh,
Darcy's
that
delivering cocoa
Trex
on
delivery. Here we go.
Lovely.
Yes, thank
Look
you.
at this, Ninja's arrived.
Ninja's here. Where's
Oh.
he been? Making drinks.
Thanks, boys.
Oh, this is feeling good, Tash.
Yeah?
Yeah, like a little bit of lower back and glute. Involved
Yeah.
with the glute. Yeah.
Yeah. Just getting around the top of that hip.
Oh,
Oh, elbow to the
Just
head.
elbowed me.
Sorry, mate.
That's all right. Little
That was
concussion
me.
to get me going. Yeah, wake the brain up a little
Oh,
bit.
gosh.
That's what they say, isn't it?
You look good in white, Tash, I reckon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rocking the away colours.
Yeah.
At Gully.
I know, it's a bit weird. I didn't like the white the first time I put it on. I didn't feel like it was MMT. But I didn't iron my other tops, so.
Oh, you're an ironer.
Yeah.
What's an iron?
I mean, I'll iron if it's creased, but my clothes don't. Know.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh,
I don't know
you're
how to iron
lucky.
My work shirt.
Sort of get in a bit here.
Do you iron?
Going in.
Yeah.
What's an iron?
Oh, shit. We're going
You right,
straight into
Jace?
it, yeah.
If I've got it.
Oh.
Alrighty.
Oh.
Thought there was a bit in here.
Oh, you did. Yeah, good. Glad you got that.
Awesome. Alright. What do you reckon, Jace?
I reckon it's good.
We wrap it
Yeah,
up?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Happy to
yeah,
wrap it up.
yep.
Yeah.
Thank
You-
you.
Thanks, guys.
Guys, if you need any treatment on your glutes, need them preed up, or you've got any
Come and see
pain,
Tash.
yeah, come in, we'll fix you right up, alright? We'll see you soon.
See ya. Bye.
Bye.